Most common DSA interview questions: data structures and algorithms assist us in solving programming issues. They simplify working with data and identifying intelligent solutions. DSA questions are frequently required in company job interviews, particularly for data science or Java positions. The following questions can assist you in preparing and performing well in your next interview. DSA interview questions for freshers. 1. What is a data structure? Data structure is a way of storing and organizing data so that we can easily retrieve it. It also assists in connecting various parts of data and creating steps, algorithms, to solve problems. 2. What are the types of data structures? Some of them are common: lists, a sequence of items in which each item is relevant to the preceding or succeeding item. Arrays, a collection of items that are all of the same type, like numbers or letters. Records, a collection of fields, such as a form with fields for name, age, and address. Trees, a way to organize data in layers, like a family tree. It shows how data is inserted, removed, or updated. Tables, facts are stored in rows and columns, similar to a spreadsheet. Altering one element can alter the entire table. 3. What is a linear data structure? Provide some examples. A linear data structure holds the items in line or order. Every item, other than the first and the last, has one item before it and one item following it. 4. What are the uses of data structures? This is a frequent interview question in job interviews. Data structures find use in many areas including numerical analysis, math problem solving, operating systems. 5. What is the difference between file structure and storage structure? The distinction lies in where the data is located. The storage type is within the main computer memory, RAM. Structure of files is in the computer's additional memory, such as hard drives or USBs. 6. What is a multi-dimensional array? A multi-dimensional array is similar to a box with boxes of data within it. The easiest one is a 2D array, which is similar to a table with rows and columns. 7. Where are the elements of a 2D array stored in memory? There are two options: row major order, the elements of the first row are stored first. Then, the second row is stored, and so on. Column major order, the elements of the first column are stored first, followed by the second column, and so on. 8. What is a linked list? This is a truly significant interview question. A linked list is a method of storing data along a line, similar to a chain. However, the objects are not stored side by side in memory. Linked lists may be linear or nonlinear. We can choose how we construct them. If we use them to process items one after another, if we apply them to keep things in varying forms, such as graphs or trees, then it can be nonlinear. 10. What are advantages of a linked list over an array? When should we use both? This is an interview question. Following is the explanation why arrays are superior to linked lists. Advantages of linked lists. 1. Easy to add or remove items. You can remove or add items without shifting everything else. In arrays, you shift lots of items to make room. 2. Flexible size. A linked list can resize up or down as required. Arrays must have the size as you declare them. 3. No memory waste. Linked lists take up only the space they require. Arrays can waste space if they are not fully filled. 4. Good for special structures. Stacks and queues are more easily implemented in terms of linked lists. When to use a linked list, you have no idea how many you'll require. You have to keep adding or subtracting things. When to use an array, you must look for things in a hurry by position. For example, the third or 10th thing. You know how many you have before you need them. Conclusion: AI is transforming project management by automating tasks, tracking progress, and providing real-time insights. This helps project managers make better decisions, save time, and reduce costs. Companies like iCertGlobal offer training to help professionals understand how to use AI in their work.